power cycle operates on 2-pound mass of air between the limits of 70 degree Fahrenheit and 500 degree Fahrenheit. So the pressure at the beginning of the isothermal expansion is 400 psia, and the one moment. Okay. And the nasa na tayo? End of isothermal expansion is 185 psi G, or gauge. This is absolute, the other one is gauge. Determine the volume at the end of the isothermal compression, the change in entropy during an isothermal process, and also we are looking for our heat added, our heat rejected, also we are looking for our work or non-flow work, also for the efficiency and the ratio of expansion during isothermal heating, and the overall ratio of expansion. So ratio lang naman po yun, no? So that is simply volume over volume. Okay? Yes, Darlene, ano po yun? Ay, wala. Joke lang. So before we proceed, we first have our diagram. Dahil po ito ay Carnot cycle, so let's have our PV diagram. So si PV diagram natin, from point 1 to point 2, we have our isothermal expansion. From point 3 to point 2, we have our adiabatic expansion. So point 1, point 2, point 3. From point 4, from point 3 to point 4 po, nandiyan yung tinatawag nating isothermal compression, and from point 4 to point 1, that is our adiabatic compression. Here we have our QH, and here we have our QL. For our TS diagram, so temperature versus entropy, so we have point 1, point 2, point 3, and point 4. Here is our QH, and here is our QL. So this one is QL. Let me just correct. Nagbabago siya ng kanya. Decision siya masyado. QL. Okay? If we now know what to use, let's have our given po. First, we must list all our known variables, and ano po ba yung ating mga binigay. So una, binigay sa atin na atin po is an ideal gas kasi Carnot power cycle. Assumption natin, ideal gas yung ating fluid na pinag-uusapan. Provided tayo ng ating given po, mass is equal to 2 pound mass. No, temperature natin, T high is equal to 70 degree Fahrenheit plus 460 na agad para ma-convert natin into absolute temperature, 430 Rankine. We also have our TL pala to. Sorry. TL. Nakadiretso na tayo para mabilis din. TH naman ay 500 degree Fahrenheit plus 460 para maging naka-Rankine na agad, degree Rankine. Okay? Next po, we also have our pressure. So sabi daw po, si pressure at the beginning of the isothermal expansion. Alin po ang beginning na isothermal expansion? Point 1. Ibig sabihin si P1 ay nandito po. No, so ibig sabihin P1 is equal to 185 PSI. Ano ka to? I'm sorry. Pressure at the beginning of isothermal expansion is 400 pala po. Yeah. 400 PSI absolute. A. Next po, ang sabi dun sa 185 is at the end of isothermal expansion. Alin po bang end ng isothermal expansion? That is 0.2. So nandito si P2 natin. P2 is equal to 185 PSI G. Dahil siya ay naka-gauge pa, paano natin gagawing absolute? Dadagdagan lang natin ng atmospheric na 14.7 PSI. That will be equal to 199.7 PSI A po. Para sila parehas ay naka-absolute na po. Ano pang binigay? May binigay pa ba? 400, 700? Wala na po. Pero we must also remember from our discussion before, meron tayong gas constant R. Kapag English po, anong value ng R natin kapag English? Pag SI 0.287, paano naman po pag English? Can I hear from ano po? From Robert? Robert, kamusta na si Maria at si Baby? Uy, iba yun. Robert, what is the value of R in English unit po? Nasa likod din po ng module niya. Ay, nawala na si Robert. Okay. So, meron po tayong,
Sir,
yun, ano pong value?
yun po ba yung 8.314 times 10 raised to 7?
8.1314 ay kapag naka-number of moles pa tayo. Pero dito sa atin po, sa ating ideal kasi may ginagamit tayo kung 0.287 sa SI, sa English ay nasa likod ng ating module po. Titingnan mo na lang doon about air. 53 point. Sige, si sir na. So meron tayong 53.34 feet pound force in every pound mass degree Rankine po. So that's our gas constant po. We also have our specific heat ratio dahil po siya ay meron tayong value na 1.4. No? So ang atin pong pwedeng gamitin din pong conversion later on para dun sa ating gas constant. We remember that in every mamaya na, hindi naman natin pa kailangan ng conversion natin. Okay. So, ano unang 53.5 gas sa module. Let's use 53.5. Sir, why there are different values for that standard if that is a standard? Because for example, on us, on mechanical engineering, it is always dependent on the examiner or the one creating the exam when it comes to board exam. There are examiner who uses 3.34 or 9.8. There are also examiners that is using 53.5 or sometimes 9.81 for the gas gravitational pull. So it depends on the BOM or board of member of the uh, body creating the board exam. Kaya magkakaiba po yung ating nagiging value. No. So these are all our given po. And first we are asked the volume at the end of the isothermal compression. Volume at the end of isothermal compression. So where is that isothermal compression? Isothermal compression is this one po, 0.3 to 0.4. But remember, T3 is also equal to T4. And T3 is equal to T temperature low. These both are equal to our temperature low. Ano bang hinanap? Isothermal I'm sorry, hindi, the volume, compression, yes, I'm correct. So T3 is equal to T4 is equal to our TL po. No, kasi ang hinahanap natin ay expansion. Temperature at expansion is below. Okay. So, let's have our solution po. So, una muna hinahanap natin is at volume 4 at the end of this is the end of our isothermal compression. So, V4. So, how can we get our V4? So, we could obtain our V4 from anong pwede natin magamit dito? If we use PVMRT, then we will be, do we have we have P1 and P2, but we do not have any P3 and P4. So we cannot. But we could use V1 because this is V1 to relate with V4 because they are related to each other. And we all have the value at point number 1. So for this one, let's start solving from point number 1. So solving from point number 1. So let's first try obtaining our V1 so that we could obtain our V4 later. No, atin lang i-correlate kasi siya is adiabatic compression, and if you could remember in adiabatic we have a formula in our adiabatic process which there is a V initial o a V final over V initial. No, and that is V1 over V4. Okay, solving at point 1, so V1 that is simply P1 V1 is equal to MRT1. Do we have P1? Yes, sir. Do we have T1? Yes, sir. Do we have our mass? Yes, sir. Do we have R? Yes, sir. Then therefore, we could obtain our V1. So it's just a proper analysis because we do not have P3, we only have P1 and P2, then we could first obtain from V1 so we could obtain the V4 because they are correlated. So PV1 is equal to MRT1. We have our P1 that is equal to 400 PSIA multiplied to V1 is equal to 2 pound mass times our R 53.5 feet pound force per pound mass degree Rankine times our temperature 1 that is equal, what is temperature 1? That is T high to 960 Radkine. What is our answer for our V1? Anyone po? Also remember that this one is still in inches. So we also, and this one is in feet. So we need to have an homogeneous units. So for this one, we need also to multiply our conversion, that is pounds per square inch per. So in every 1 inch squared, so how many feet? So I think better to use the 12. So in every 1 feet, meron tayong 12 inches, but we need to square because naka-square po yung ating PSI. So for a 12 squared, I would like to hear from Kyle. Kyle, what will be our V1? Kyle? Papindot po sa inyong mga calcu. And I will be also looking for my calculus. Ano calculus? Kyle, ano po ating sagot, Kyle? So we have 12 squared times 400 alpha x. Alpha equals 2 times 53.5 times 960. Chip solve. May sagot ba si Kyle? Baka nasa ano? Answer po? Anyone? Any two?
Thank you po.
Any three? Happy birthday po.
Sige po, thank you po.
Any four? Any five? Any one? Wala talaga? Yun! Good job, Irish! So we have, sabi ni Irish, very good Irish, 1.7833333333. So what will be our unit? Our unit, so pound mass is already cancelled here. Yan, pound mass. Then feet will be cancelled after here. May matitira doong feet. Rankine is cancelled here. So pound force. So here, cancel si pound force. So matitira sa atin ay volume, that will be meter cube. So this is not cancelled pala yung feet. That will be multiplied po. Kasi para silang nasa taas. So feet. Yan. So feet times feet squared, that is feet cube. That is feet cube. So we have 1.78 feet cube. So we have our value of our V1 that is equal to 1.778 feet cube. All right. So after that, can we now get V4? Mahirap pa po. Kulang pa tayo sa detalye. So for us to obtain V4, iikot na natin through the whole cycle. So let's now try solving for our V2. So solving for V2, we have our PV. P2 V2 is equal to MR T2. So what is the value of T2? T2 is also equal to T1. They are the same. So P2 is equal to what is P2? At the end of isothermal expansion, we have 185 PSIG added with our 14.7, 199.7. So we have here 199.7 PSIA times 12 inches squared in every 1 feet squared is equal to 2 pound mass times 53.5 feet pound force in every pound mass degree Rankine times 960 degree Rankine. And V2 is equal to 199.7 times 960. Shift solve again. So we have here 3.572024704 feet cube naman po. Okay? So we have a V2. After V2, then let's remember the PVT relationship for isothermal compression. So the PVT relationship for our isothermal compression, let's buksan natin yung, do you have your 7 generals po with you? Would you mind looking po for isothermal? What is our PVT relationship there? Ano ga? Isothermal compression, di ga? Hindi naman isentropic. Isothermal expansion to isothermal compression. Would you mind opening? Nasa performance po si Ma'am Rowena.
Sir, kung sakali po kayong ipalit ko na to dun sa requirements ko, okay lang po.
Sige, sasabihin ko na lang kay Ma'am. Oh, kamusta kayo guys? Meron po ba? So, let's see here po. Oh, let's go back here. If you could see, this is our isothermal compression. So what is the last point at isothermal compression? That is point 4. But there is also a relationship from point 1 to point 2. What do we call to this process? This process is what we call as our adiabatic compression. And when we say adiabatic, that is also the isentropic process. So therefore, pwede kong i-relate using isentropic process of point 4 to 1 point using point 4 to 1 or isentropic process. Tropic process, and if you're gonna look on our PVT relationship on our isentropic process, you could see there that the isentropic process formula is equal to T1 or T initial over T final is equal to V final all over V initial raised to K minus 1. On your 7 generals, no, isentropic. Isentropic ang ating tinitingnan ngayon kasi ito yung tinitingnan natin. Ito. Yan, itong part na to. Yan nating dala. This is the adiabatic compression kasi may relasyon si V1 at si V4. Pag in-isothermal natin, wala naman tayong V3 pa. So dito tayo. So we have, or if you could look on your module, sa 7 generals, that is T1 all over T2 is equal to V2 over V1 raised to K minus 1. But here we have 4 processes or points. So we cannot use directly the 2 and the 1. So we use the initial and the final. Because it is process 1 to 4, our initial is T1, our final is T4, V4, V1 raised to K minus 1. Substituting, our T1 is equal to 960 degree Rankine all over T4, 530 degree Rankine is equal to yung V4 na hinahanap over our V1. We already obtained our V1 na 1.78333. 1.7833333 raised to what is our K? K is equal to 1.4. 1.4 minus 1. So what will be the value of V4? Ano magiging value ng V4 po natin? Ayun, good job. We have 7.874462657. Then this is in feet cube because this is already in feet cube. Good job. So meron na tayong una nating hinahanap which is our volume at the end of the isothermal compression. Next, ang sunod nating hinahanap po, delta S during the isothermal process. So delta S during the isothermal process. So what is our on our 7 generals, what is the formula for delta S under isothermal process? Can you look po? Delta S formula for isothermal po. Anong formula nandun? Mag-open na nga ako ng isang 7 generals. One moment po. Para kita nyo rin po. ME431. And I will be sharing okay, so if you could see, nawala ba yung isa kong screen? Nawala nga. I-reshare ko na lang. So if you could see here po, yung kapag po tayo isothermal. So isothermal, constant temperature. Then we are looking for our, ayan, entropy. Therefore, ang formula po dapat natin, so let me just reshare on the other screen. So therefore, ang atin pong formula that is MR ln ng V final over V initial. And because we are talking about during an isothermal process, so alin po ba yung isothermal natin? We have isothermal expansion and isothermal compression. So either or lang ang hinahanap sa atin doon because delta S is the same during both process, no? Expansion and compression. So delta S, anong meron na tayong value? V2 and V1. Isothermal, so let's use this V1 or 0.1 to 0.2 process. So this will be equal to M or ln V2 over V1. The value of N, that is 2 pound mass. We have our 2 pound mass times 53.5 pound mass may feet in every, I'm sorry, pound force pala. Pound force in every pound mass degree Rankine. Tama? Tama ang ating 53.3 feet pound force per pound mass degree Rankine. Okay? Degree Rankine. Then, V2. Multiply to our V2. Anong value ng V2 natin kanina? Kinuha na natin yon 3.572. Ipod natin. Okay lang sa baba ko isulat. Is it okay if I gonna write it below? So here. Multiply to V2, that is 3.57 2024. 57 2024 feet cube in every V1. V1 is equal to 1.783333 feet cube. So MR ln of V2 over V1, and also we could use the MR ln of, pwede rin po kung hindi naman po volume ang gagamitin natin. Ganonan ko muna to ha. Pwede rin po yung atin pong pressure. In terms of pressure naman po, which is equal also, let's M R ln of P1 all over P2 M R ln ng ating P1 over P. So P1 po natin, that is equal to, ano yung P1? 400 at 199.77. So 400 PSIA over 199.7 PSIA. So either two, that will still provide us the same answer po. Try na lang natin in terms ng pressure. So we have 2 times 53.5 times ln of 400 over 199.7. So that is equal to 74.32736.882 units po. Pag ito pong naka-PSIA, i-convert pa po natin siya. So we use our conversion factor po. So for us to convert, so para tayo magkatama, so mag-divide tayo ng, let's divide, parang mas magkahaba, no? Hindi pala, nakakancel na pala to. So PSIA ln. So this is 74.32736 pound mass, cancel, feet, pound force per degree Rankine. So that is feet pound force per degree Rankine. And feet pound force, we could still convert it into BTU. And how are we going to convert feet pound force to BTU? So we could use in every 1 BTU, so conversion, in every 1 BTU, we have 778 feet pound force. So converting po, so i-multiply lang natin siya sa, i-divide lang natin siya sa 778 feet pound force in every BTU. So our answer divided by 778, that is 0. Delta S is equal to 0.0955 3646377 BTU in every degree Rankine. And this is our change in entropy. Okay? That is our change in entropy. Gets ga po?
Yes, kayo.
Gets kayo? Ambot sa imo. Bilat ina, nagid, ah?
Ganda ng iPod.
Dalawa na iPad mo?
Hindi po.
Hindi ba? Okay, so next po, we are now looking for our QA. So QA, titingnan lang ulit natin dun sa ating 7 generals, then substitute lang po yung value. QA is simply TL delta S. So substitute lang po yun. Then, si work naman po is simply QA minus QR. Where do we get our QR? So QR is also equal to TL naman po. Kanina TH over delta S. Sige na nga. Okay. So for you to compute the Q added, that is simply our TL times delta S. Already computed na yung delta S na, ay TH over delta S. For QR, that is TL all over delta S. You can try it on your own po. Then for because it's just substitute na lang po. No, for our work net, that is equal to QA minus QR. Then for our efficiency, that is equal to 1 minus QR all over QA. Or also 1 minus TL over TH po. And for our isothermal expansion ratio, so you may try this on your own, expansion ratio. So that is equal to V2 over V1. V2 over V1 lang. Nakuha na natin si V2, meron na rin tayong V1. Pag overall naman po, so pag overall expansion ratio, then we should first get our V3. So how do we get the V3? So V3 is simply equal to our V2 times yung T high over our T low raised to 1 all over K minus 1 still on our 7 generals po. And when you already have the V3, overall efficiency is simply equal to V3 over V1. So that is how will you going to solve for our problem sample. So please take a screenshot po for this one kasi kita ko already 340 na po. Okay. So, do you have any question for this one? You may try it, and if you have question, you can always direct to our group chat. So kung wala nang tanong, I am requesting for 2108 to leave this meeting room and for all 2109 to please remain on the call. So 2108, you may now leave the meeting room. Thank you so much, 2108. So 2108, please do leave the meeting room. 2108 alone? Yes, Aliyah. Go ahead.
Sir, good afternoon. Pwede pong pasandong material na yan.
Okay, I will be sending this one as well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yung may sulat ko, yung wala. Ay, nawala na.
Yung meron po.
Yung meron pa. Okay po. Save natin.
Sir? Ano, may ipili po bang may binap?
Ay, opo. Wait lang po.
Sige lang po. Sige lang po.
Sino nag-reply?
Si Maria po.
Okay, pa-confirm naman ako kung lahat dito ay 09 na lang po.
Sir, hindi pa po.
Thank you po.
Okay. Ay, si Dodge ay, may iba pa po bang nandito na hindi 09?
Meron pa po, sir.
Sayaan mo na. Ganito guys. So, yung, how do I explain? Nung ibigay po sa akin, ang subject na to, ay unang sabi po sa akin sadya ito, no? So this is my regular load for you, 2109 and 2108. But the other teachers ng EE, so some of them are provided only up until this week. Kasi may kukuha na yung nag maternity leave babalik. So dapat ang kukuhanin ay yung kanila, yung sa 07, yung sa ganon. Pero nakiusap sa akin si department chair namin kasi pag tinanggalan po yung isa namin ditong kasamahan, wala na siya halos magiging load. Yun lang kasi yung load niya. So sabi ko, sige po, i-give up ko pong isa ko. Awa ko lang sa kanya. At ang napili po ay, ayun, kayo. So, on next week po, ang mag-meet na po sa inyo ay hindi na po ang sir. I will not be anymore your instructor next week. So it will be Ma'am Sheila and Daya. But rest assured, I will provide all your grades and I will try to make it a bit higher siguro. Dadagdagan ko na konti kung paano ko maitataas pa. Pag ibinigay ko yung grade nyo nung midterm and quiz 1 and 2. So itataas natin ng konti para sa inyo. And also, what I will be providing on the other section, on the final exam, I will make sure that I will also be providing it to all of you. No. So maybe